Good morning, Montfortians. Today I'll teach you the chapter number 13, A Visit to the Library. I'll be explaining you this chapter thoroughly. So my dear students, you have to listen to me very carefully. Let us start. Your chapter number 13 is A Visit to the Library. Visit means when we go to some other place, and the word library, it means a room in which there is a collection of different kinds of books. That is a library. So in this chapter you are going to study that a girl is there. She is going to visit in the library. Do you enjoy reading books? What are your favorite books? Read this story about a girl who goes to a library with her mother to borrow books. So now they are asking you that do you enjoy reading books? Do you like reading books? Which is your favorite book? Read the story about a girl. So in this story, there is a girl who goes to a library with her mother to borrow books. To borrow books means when you have to take a book from someone. So she is going in the library. So she is going to take the book from there. First paragraph. Mithu loved to read. Her favorite pastime was to curl up in a large armchair with a book of fairy tales or mystery stories. She loved to spend the afternoon in her own world of imagination. Mother had said that she would take Mithu to the library in the afternoon. She knew how much Mithu loved books, so she tried to take her daughter there as often as she could. So dear students, Mithu is a girl. She loved to read the books. Her favorite pastime is to read the fairy tales or mystery stories. Pastime means students what you like to do in your free time. So Mithu's pastime was to read the fairy tales or mystery stories. Fairy tales are related to some princess kinds of stories and mystery stories in which strange things happen. And she loved to spend her afternoon in the world of her own imagination. Imagination means thinking of new ideas. She used to think more and more about the creative ideas in the afternoon. Her mother had said that she is going to take Mithu in the library in the afternoon. Her mother knows that her daughter loved reading books. So she tried to take her daughter as often as she could, as many times as she could. Next paragraph. In the afternoon, Mithu and her mother went to the National Library. It was a large old building with a beautiful garden around it. There was even a pond with ducks in it. It was very quiet and peaceful. So students, Mithu and her mother went to the National Library. Which library did they went? They went to the National Library and they went in the afternoon timing. And how was the library, students? It was large. Its building was large, that is big. It was having an old building with a beautiful garden around it. A beautiful garden was there around it. And also students, there was a pond there and in that ducks were there. It was very quiet and peaceful. It means there was no noise in the surroundings. It was very quiet. Silence was there. They entered the library. There were rows and rows of books and shelves. The shelves rose up to the ceiling. So now they are entering the library. They are going inside the library. There are so many rows of books in shelves. So there are so many millions, there are so many books. The shelves rose up to the ceiling. So the shelves are there because so many books are there. So they had made so many shelves. So they required the space also to keep the books. So they had made so many shelves in the library and they are even touching the ceiling also. Ceiling is that wall where we are placing the fan. To reach the topmost shelf, you had to climb up on tall ladders. There were deep armchairs around tables. The tables had stacks of magazines on them. So students, to reach the topmost shelf. So now when you have to take out the book from the topmost shelf, which is touching the ceiling also. How you are going to take out the book from there? Think. With the help of ladder. Ladder means CD. So with the help of a ladder, you can take out the book from the topmost shelf. Can you see in this picture? This is the ladder. This they had placed near to the topmost shelf. This is the ladder here, this one. Okay. On one side sat the librarian. She had a catalogue of all books in the library on her computer. So now students, the way you had a grade in charge in your grade. So grade in charge is the in charge of your grade, your class. Same way the in charge of library is known as librarian. The in charge of library is known as the librarian. So she sat on the one side. She had a catalogue of all books in the library on her computer. Catalogue is a list of things. So what is there in the library? Books are there. So she is having the list of all books which are available in the library. So she is having the catalogue which is saved in her computer. Whether storybooks or encyclopedias, magazines or journals, they were all listed in the catalogue. So students, whether it was a storybook or an encyclopedia is a book which is having the knowledge on many different subjects. Magazines or journals is a kind of a newspaper which is having the knowledge, which is having the information related to particular one subject. So they all were listed in the catalogue. So catalogue was a list of all the books available in the library. I hope the first page is clear to you. Let us move on to the second page. If you wanted a book, you simply told the librarian its name. She checked her catalogue and told you the shelf and row where you could find it. So students, as you know that thousands and thousands of books are available in the library. So if you want to take one book from there, you have to tell it to the librarian who is in charge of library. She is going to tell you. Firstly, she is going to check in her catalogue in the computer which she is having. See here. She is going to check in the computer in her catalogue. Then she is going to tell you that okay, it is in this shelf in this row. So there you can find it. In a library with thousands and thousands of books, that seemed like magic because so many books are there. So it seemed like magic that all the books are available in the library. Mithu loved that there was a hush in the library. Hush means quiet, that is silence. It was a very quiet place. No one was allowed to speak loudly. There were boards with silence please written on them everywhere. So which boards were there in the library, students? It was silence please, because you are not allowed to talk in the library. It should be completely silent over there. The only sounds were the whispers of people speaking to one another, the rustle of pages being turned, and the rattle of ladders as they were pushed back and forth. So there were three sounds in the library you have to remember. The whispers of people, that means persons, they were speaking very softly. It is not even audible to the second person. You have to speak in the ears very softly. The rustle of pages, rustle means when you turn the page, then sound is coming, that is rustling of pages. Third sound was rattle of ladders, because when you have to take out the book from the topmost shelf, you have to take the help of a ladder. So when you were placing the ladder left side, right side, near that shelf, that other shelf, so that time sound was coming because it is heavy. So three sounds were there, students, in the library. First is the whispers of people. Second, the rustle of pages. Third, the rattle of ladders. The 5 Find Outers series. Please, said Mithu to the librarian, can I have the 5th book in the series? So students, now Mithu is telling the name of a book, that is 5 Find Outers series. But she wants the 5th edition of this book. And what about you, madam? The librarian asked Mithu's mother. Now the librarian, who is in charge of library, is asking to Mithu's mother that which book you want. Has the new issue of Good Homes come? So mother replied that Good Homes book is available here. I was waiting to read it. There are supposed to be new gardening tips, said Mithu's mother. Now she is telling about that book because in that book it is related to gardening tips. She is waiting to read that book. The book name is Good Homes. So students, Mithu was asking for the book The Five Find Outer series, and her mother was asking for the book Good Homes. Don't get confused between the names. Just a minute, madam. Let me check, the librarian said. Now librarian is saying that madam, please wait, let me check it. It came yesterday, and Mithu, the fifth book is not available, but the sixth and the seventh books in series are. Would you like to borrow those? Now librarian is telling that dear Mithu, fifth edition is not available. Only sixth and seventh we have got. So would you like to read those books? Would you like to borrow those? Oh yes, please, Mithu and her mother said together. So now Mithu and her mother said yes, we would like to borrow those books. Please give us. The librarian issued the books. Students, issued means gave something specially, officially. Whenever issuing something is there from the library, you cannot take the book like this only. There is a register or some kind of notes are there where they have to maintain the records. You have to tell your name, everything you have to tell over there. They will issue the books. They will give you a certain time period. In that time period, you have to return the book also. So the librarian issued the books. Mithu and her mother left the librarian because now they got the books. So they are leaving the library. They are going out of the library. They had a lovely afternoon of reading to look forward to, and they were both very happy. So now they are happy. Who? Mithu and her mother, they are very happy. A visit to the library was always such a pleasure. Pleasure means a great fun. So visiting to the library was always such a pleasure for Mithu and her mother. I hope this chapter is clear to you. It is very interesting one. You must read the complete chapter and listen to the video carefully. Have a great day, students. Bye-bye.